The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
Andrew, gas raise, food raise, taxi fare raise. What happened to my pay? What happened to my pay? My pay not raise.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Yes, big up, big up, big up. There's not much I'm going to say about the things that the female said in that video that I just presented to you. I'm going to say that she made an important point. See? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the things that she said, alright? And I'm going to move on to more videos. But before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And it would be much appreciated too. Now I'm going to present to you a video that is going to show quite a large number of persons outside of a store or a supermarket that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica, waiting their turn to go inside of the store or the supermarket to do their shopping. Allegedly, it is said that many of those persons shown in the video that I'm about to present to you was at the store or the supermarket preparing for days of 24 hours curfew that are going to happen within the country of Jamaica. According to some things that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, said in an announcement that he made on the 19th of August, the year 2021, I got the understanding that those days of 24 hours curfew are called no movement days. Now I'm going to present the video to you first, and then I give you some more information about those no movement days and so on, alright? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
This is the entrance to General Food. Let's go to the back of the line. Let's go, we're still walking to the back of the line. We're still going. Still moving about. Crazy.
Can you imagine the line inside?
Okay.
Wow. See it? See the amount of people at that store or supermarket viewers and subscribers? You see it? Anyways, so I got the understanding that on the 22nd, the 23rd, the 24th, the 29th, the 30th, and the 31st of August, the year 2021, and also on the 5th of September, the year 2021, those are no movement days within the country of Jamaica. On those days, the citizens within the country of Jamaica are not allowed to go out in the public unless they're authorized to do so, or if they have reason to do so that are allowed by the government within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now please bear in mind that those days that are going to be in between those no movement days, there are different curfew hours on those days. Alright? See it? Yeah, but you know, you can go and try and find out some of those informations on your own, viewers, subscribers, because those days are somewhat of a long explanation, and I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. All right, so I'll give you a brief explanation about those no movement days. You can also let me know what you think about those no movement days and so on. All right. Now I'm going to present to you a video that's going to show houses being washed away in a flood that happened in Haywood County, United States of America, due to rainfall from Tropical Storm Fred. According to some things that I read in a news article, I got the understanding that there are reports about flooding that happened in Haywood County on the 17th of August, the year 2021. According to some things that I read in a news article, I got the understanding that more than 3 persons had been confirmed to be dead and persons had been reported to be missing. Now, please bear in mind that there are more information about the whole incident. there might be more information about casualties and persons who are reported to be missing. And you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments letting you know what I know. Now I'm going to present this video to you, but before I present this video to you, I want to let you know that this video contains scenes that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. This video not only shows houses being washed away, but this video also shows cars being pushed by heavy running waters. This video also shows other things as well. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Oh, good, it missed my car. Now my car is going again. Nelly, come here.
Channel viewers and subscribers, all those persons affected by the flood, lives had been lost. One more video I have to present to you, and this video is going to show a female telling a story about how she helped a man who said to her that he was hungry. Viewers and subscribers, the things that this female said were somewhat sad, but I really and truly like how she said that she helped this person. You understand? Yeah, I like the way how she said she helped this person. Now, why you tell me what to think about this video, right? Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
2 days ago, I was at the station packing away my pig feed. I'm gonna get some dog food. And when I was packing it, a man passed. Man look nice. I mean, not dirty clothes, no look like he mentally ill. And he said to me, "Miss, me can get that? That's the bag of dog food." The first thing came to my mind was that he wanted it for his dog. So I said, "No, you're not getting me dog food. You have dog?" And he said, "No." And I remember saying to him, "You're not getting me dog food, man." Because in my mind, even when he said no, you know, me still think a dog he want it for. And so, something said to me, ask him what he want it for. I said, "What you want it for?" And he came a little closer. And he said, "I'm hungry." I said, "What?" He said, "Miss, me want if you eat." It was some rice mixed up with some gravy from the kitchen also. People, I had $1,000 in my purse. $1,000, no more money, no more, no money. 3 days ago. And I said to him, I locked the van door, and I said, "Come." And I walked over to Portland Jerk Center, over Sassafras. When I walked in, I saw a chicken for $500, $650 and $700. I bought him a $600 chicken and a bottle of cran water. I stood in the line and I waited and I bought it, and I went out and I gave it to him quietly. And he looked into my eyes, people, and he said, "God bless you." I walk away from him, might never see him again. I've never seen him before. And tears filled my eyes. As I sat in my vehicle, tears rolled down my cheeks when I remember how much days we complain. I had $300 left in my hand. So I remember that a lady had $1,000 for me for some pig foot and me did sell her. So I call her and she arranged me get the $1,000. But I want to tell you something that was appalling to me. I never normally forgot money in my pocket. So anytime I go into the washing machine and see money, I know it's Antoine money. When I came home, I had some jeans soaking in the machine. And I saw $100 floating on the top of the water. So I take out the $100 and say, wait, what is this? When I look, I see another $100. So I say something wrong with some man. And so I started to search my jeans pocket them to see which one money in. People, in one of my jeans pants pocket, I found $3,600. That is $3,800 in all. The irony of this is that there's a little in this much when God is in it. I not knowing where another dollar was coming from, I bought.
Jano, sometimes when we think we have it hard in our life, there are persons out there who might have life even harder than us, you see? For real, you know? She said she'll take her money and buy food for the man, you know? And you see, somehow she received money. You listen to the things that she said? God is good, you know? Yeah. Alright, so let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.